All right, what's up, YouTube? OV3 here. Today I'm gonna go ahead and start taking the back tire off, or the back rim wheel off, so I could change the tire. All right. I'm going with what I had originally, a Shinko 777. It's an SR 777. All right, I like this tire. I think it's pretty good. It's pretty sticky. Uh, so yeah, I'll go through with it. I'll go through a walkthrough with it with you guys. I appreciate all the love I've been getting on YouTube. I'm up to about 200 followers right now. I want to keep going, keep growing. Maybe I can monetize, make some money off some commercials, so that way I could maybe do a giveaway for you guys. Anyway, back working on the Vaquero. I'll do a walkthrough on anything I think you need to know. I already have a video on taking the bags off, how to jack the bike up. The front wheel has been doing pretty good. Still shakes at low speed, but for the most part, I can get up to speed and ride. I wouldn't trust letting the handlebars go, but I can at least get out there and ride a little bit, charge my batteries. My charging issue, still having the same issue. I can ride it. 3 days, it's dead. So I'm good. I'm still troubleshooting that. I just been busy working nights. My plant was out doing a turnaround, and I was working night shift with that. So anyway, you can see I sold the Honda. Honda's finally gone, which was my plan, in the first place. And I didn't put much videos out on it. I do have some still that I could make. I didn't see that you guys liked them too much. I thought it was kind of a waste of time. If you want to see some, let me know. I'll make them and I'll put them out. Anyway, I do have some, hopefully a surprise coming. I don't want to put it out there and jinx myself and not get it. But if I can get it in the works and buy what I want to buy, then I'll go ahead and do a YouTube video on that so you guys can see it. And you guys can be a part of what I do. Again, thank you guys for liking, subscribing to my channel. Please keep liking and subscribing. It's helping me out a lot. I want to do some bigger things, but you're kind of limited without the subscriptions. So yeah. Anything else I remember to take, I'll do the video. Enjoy. So you guys can kind of see what I'm working with here. Okay. Sorry, I got a new gimbal. I'm trying to do better video as well. And this thing is a pain to work with. Okay. So here's my bike. So for me, I have to take all these wires out because I didn't put quick connects, which I would suggest you guys do for sure. Okay, so anyway, I got all mine out. Just wanted to show you. All right, so I bought a new mic. I'm really hoping this comes out clear, because if not, then I did all this for nothing. But anyway, you can see here, my notch is on 3 on this side, like just behind, almost like 7/8 behind 3, which I'm still gonna get a tape measure, and what I'll do is I'll measure from here to the notch. That way I'm kind of close to make sure my wheels lined up. Okay, so now my next move here is gonna be to melted it. Watch all these electrical stuff. My next move here is gonna be to remove these 10 millimeters. Well, you can tell. I'm gonna have to get this clamp loose. I'm not sure what size that is. I have to look, and I have to remove this part of the exhaust, which, yeah, right here. Okay, which I don't want to do. I am gonna do it because I don't want to mess with the suspension. But I saw other videos where people are removing the suspension. Okay, they put a jack under the back wheel They put a jack under the back wheel and then they raise or lower the rim as needed, and that's what helps them get it out. Okay, well, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna remove the exhaust. It looks pretty easy. Haven't removed it anyway, so it needs to be removed. Okay. So these aren't very tight. So 7/16. This is a Freedom exhaust. So if you have a Freedom exhaust, your bracket here is a 7/16. And it's easier to use a wrench. My bracket just slid forward, and my pipe hopefully should come right off. It's been a while. There you go. Just kind of give it a spin. It comes off. These are the pipes I'm running. Not sure if I showed you guys before, but this is what I'm running here. And they are stupid loud. So if you're looking for a really smooth ride or really quiet ride, these are not the ones you want. But if you want to be heard, these are the ones you want. Okay. Okay, so let's see if we can get a good measurement. So from what I could tell, 2 5/8. Let me write this down. So I'm gonna do right side. Field line. I don't know if it's gonna last. It looks more like 2 3/4. Okay, so let's take this rotor off. $12 millimeter. Okay. So now I just have to break this nut loose. And I gotta go on this side and actually loosen the belt. That should be good to go. So I think there's supposed to be a bracket that goes here on the bottom, and that was never installed. So you got to invent something, but you could tell where there was actually some kind of a bracket holding. You know what? I'm gonna leave it down. I'm gonna leave it down. I just thought about it. I can get to my bolt. I could get to the bolt, so it shouldn't be an issue. Okay. So now let me see what size I need. So in some unorthodox ways, I'm not going to show you because I'm not going to be responsible for you messing your stuff up. I was able to get this off. Okay. So let me get my bucket. Okay. You ever notice when you're working on something, everything's in the way, like in your garage? And I keep a pretty clean garage for the most part. Not right now, but I do. All right. So the 11/16 seems to work. And to be honest with you, once you get the pressure off, once you loosen this nut, it actually almost spins by hand. And so the whole point of this is you're moving it so you can move this forward and get the belt off on the other side. So let's go on the other side and do the same. Everything's in the freaking way. That off. Remove that from the other side. So you got to remember. Probably spacers and stuff in there you got to account for. So you have a nut, a washer. I'm going to try to stack them exactly like that. Okay. This thing's going to just float here. And on the other side again. So I did have to take the suspension out, jacked it up, loosened this, loosened the top. I took this one off, loosened the top, and I was able to pry it over, okay? I didn't want to take it completely off. I had to strip the whole bike down, and it lowered, so that way I can get this axle out. See? That's out. Let's see what fell on this side. This thing's a little slow. Okay. That's out. Okay, so now this here all fell out, which goes behind here. Okay. This for me too, so I can go back and reference. It goes behind and lines up here. You line your wheel up. Alright, but for now I'm gonna lower it, get it out of my way. That just holds the caliper. One spacer. Okay, let's go back to the other side and see what we got. Better at this gimbal thing now. Now this side has another spacer. Okay. As far as I know, that's it. So now I'm gonna jack the bike up and try to get the rim out. Wheels out. Oh, didn't want to really do that, but I guess I would have had to anyway. Okay, so basically this thing here comes out. It sits kind of like that, and like that. Okay, I don't think there's an orientation to it or anything. Good time to check your hubs. This thing's only got 13,000 miles now, so my hub should be good. Okay. But now would be a good time to check your belt, check your rear suspension, check your rear brake, and that's that. So, as you guys can see here, look at this, really bad. Okay, and I've only put maybe 2,000 miles on this bike, and some of this could have been maybe me not checking tire pressure from what I was told, but this wore really bad in the center. And I'm pretty sure about 10,000 miles on the motorcycle is pretty good. So, okay, I'm gonna set you guys up. I'm gonna take the air out of it and let's see if we can take this tire off without too much hassle.